Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about some Ruby basics. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So Ruby is a dynamic open source programming language which is a focus on simplicity and the productivity. It has an elegant syntax that is natural to read and easy to write. A simple Ruby program that prints hello. So whenever we try to call the see about the like whenever I try to print something, so there is a thing in the Ruby that is puts. Okay, so in the PHP you are doing the echo, and whenever you try to console something or you will try to print something, so in the Ruby what we have to do, puts. Okay, so whenever you do echo something or write something, you have to put, you have to use puts. Okay, if I just create a new file over there, just open a basic one. So here I'm going to create a new folder with Ruby, and here I'm going to create a file that is touch test.rb. Would be the file name, and let's open it. Okay, and let's try to add this puts hello world. So let's see what it will print. Okay, so this is our Ruby code, so I want to just print hello world, right? So if I go just run ruby test.rb, so here you can see it prints the hello world, right? So this is for whenever we try to echo something or print something, you have to use the put. Okay, next one, variable and the data types. So this is the strings. So let's open up this and just add this like this. Okay, so here you can see that we have a string. So how we can define the string like this, and echo this one name numbers, and puts this one arrays. This is would be your arrays, and just puts, you want to access the first index. With the help of this you can access that one. Hashes, similar to the dictionaries in the other language. Dictionaries are used in the Python, so basically it's a keep value pair. So in the JSON object we have the key, we have a value, we have a key with a value. So if I want to just assess the name, okay, so here we have the person, and this is your symbols, right? So I will let you know about the what exactly the symbol is. So output of this one, if I try to save this and just running over here, here you can see we have Alice, we have 30 apple, Alice. Okay, so these all the outputs we come up. So strings, number, arrays and the hashes. Okay, next we have the control structures. So okay, so but control structures I need to explain little bit more. Okay, so this is for like the basics one, that is variables and the data types, how to define it, how to use it, and how to print just hello world, right? Next video we go with the control structures. After that we are going with the step by step the things, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.